Hey guys, Chad Davis here from St.Albert Dodge. We have a 2023 Chevy Traverse. These vehicles are actually super nice. It's in royal blue. You have a chrome bumper on the front, LED headlights. You have LED fog lights down here as well too, monotone bumpers, blacked out 20-inch wheels, nice turn signal indicators on the side. Also have a little bit of black trim around the back lights, making it look actually really nice here too. You have dual exhaust. You also have backup sensors as well. You can open the tailgate from the remote by pushing the button twice, or there's also a button under here you can just push and it'll open up for you, right? So if you look in the back, there's lots of room. It has third row seating with captain's chairs inside. It's folded down right now in the back, but it shows so much room there. But even when you pull these up, you still have quite a bit of room in the back to put groceries, hockey bag or something like that as well too, golf club. So if you guys want to come inside, I'll show you guys somewhere. Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you the interior of the Chevy Traverse. These are actually super nice inside. So you have nice leather seats. They look like they're in perfect condition. It's only got 19,979 kilometers on it. Bose sound system, which is actually a really nice sound system. Sounds really good and crisp. You have a few safety features in here as well. You have forward collision warning with brake assist. You also have blind spot monitoring. You have cruise control. You have heated steering wheel. You also have heated seats as well. USB plugins down here. There'll be some in the back as well too. Also, you have a few things in here too. So if you look at the screen right here, you have active lane management. You also have this, so it's a storage space. You hold that button, comes up, you can put stuff in there, registration, whatever you want, and close that back down too. So that's kind of a cool feature that these have. You have Apple CarPlay, you have Android Auto. These things are really well equipped. You have OnStar, SOS for emergencies, and then you also have a sunroof from the front and a sunroof from the back for the kids as well too. So if you guys want to know some more or want to come test drive this vehicle, my name is Chad Davis. My phone number is 780-278-2423. Please give me a call and have a nice day.